Unpowered recording mixers are an essential tool for any musician or sound engineer looking to create high-quality recordings. There are many products available to choose unpowered recording mixers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best unpowered recording mixers from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. TC Helicon Goxler Revolutionary Online Broadcaster Platform. The TC Helicon Goxler is a revolutionary online broadcaster platform that comes with a 4-channel mixer, motorized faders, soundboard, and vocal effects. The multi-channel mixer allows users to control mic, game, music, chat, and more for the perfect broadcast mix. The studio-quality Midas preamp with 48V phantom power, equalizer, compressor, limiter, de-esser, and gate ensures that the XLR mic sounds great. With the sampler, users can record samples on the fly or load their own audio files to engage and entertain their community. The Goxler Windows app allows users to customize basic and advanced audio parameters, sample import, and voice FX preset library. Number 2. Fifine PC Audio Mixer. Fifine Mixer offers improved sound quality with XLR microphone interface for studio-level performance. It includes instrument input for rich tones. Enjoy direct monitor functionality for real-time recording control. The compatibility with both Mac and PC makes installation easy. Number 3. Mini Audio Mixer. The LZIG mixer is a compact stereo line mixer perfect for sub-mixing various audio sources into one-channel output. It features a 4-in-1 function for integrating multiple audio inputs, ensuring you have enough channels for your microphones, instruments, and devices. With its low-noise design and high-quality operational amplifiers, this mixer delivers distortion-free sound. You can easily switch between stereo and mono modes, accommodating different input sources without the need for adapters. Additionally, the mixer includes a dynamic microphone mode for capturing voice through a mic. Enjoy worry-free shopping with the after-sales service guarantee. Number 4. Mauki Audio Mixer Line Mixer. Mauki Line Mixer MAMX 3 is a versatile 8-channel mixer suitable for small clubs or bars. You can easily switch between stereo and mono modes, making it convenient for connecting guitars, bass, and keyboards. The DC 5V power supply allows for flexible usage scenarios. With independent volume controls for each channel, this mixer offers precise sound adjustments. Its low-noise operation ensures distortion-free sound quality, ideal for multi-keyboard setups and recordings. Plus, the after-sales service guarantee provides you with a worry-free shopping experience. Number 5. Mackie Mobile Mix 8-Channel Mixer. The Mackie Mobile Mix Mixer is a versatile 8-channel mixer that can be powered via USB. It features 2 MIS-instrument combo inputs, stereo line 3.5mm inputs, Bluetooth connectivity, and reverb. The 2 MIS-instrument combo inputs allow you to connect microphones or instruments easily. The stereo line 3.5mm inputs enable you to connect various audio sources like phones or laptops. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can wirelessly stream music or audio. The reverb feature adds depth and ambience to your sound, enhancing your overall audio experience. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.